Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're at the Avon Park field. We got the Hobby King TTX, Cessna TTX again. Now, here's the latest updated repair. Last time I had a problem, I lost all control over my ailerons because of a bad connection in the wing. Now, in this wing, there's two screws. Of course, the tongue and groove, but the two screws. Now what I've done, I went in there to make sure the connection was nice and clean, and I really anchored down these screws to the point I'm almost kind of denting the foam in a little bit. I stopped there, but it's in there nice and tight. So really, and I haven't had any problem taxiing and stuff with it and bouncing around, so I think it's going to be okay. We'll find out. If not, I'll have to remember how to land a plane with a rudder and elevator only on both sides of the radio. That's actually a skill that we should all work on, because you never know when you're going to be in that situation and use only the tail. Alright, well anyways, and the other thing is I went in there and redid my linkage to my rudder. I put a better control rod in, a better connection, just because it made me happier. Alright folks, we're going to take this little gem up. And like I say, she's got flaps, lights, everything. I got her on sale for $69 from Hobby King, so you can't go wrong there. But anyways, I mean, that's just a great little plane from Hobby King. Cessna TTX, flaps, lights. We're gonna get her turned around here. I got takeoff flaps in there, and with the way that nose is configured, it kind of dips down. It looks like the tail end is really kicking up, but that's actually how the real plane looks. All right, we're going to be taking off left to right. Here we go. Whoa. Yeah, once she gets to speed, you don't need much. You do not need much. Now I am flying around now. I've got the flaps all the way down, because I just like, because this is actually a very fast plane, so I like to fly it with the flap. Seems to fly it really well. I mean, it's a nice little stable little plane, but it is a low wing, so you have to remember that. I'm going to try to bring her in for a landing. There we go. Not the best landing, but you know, we're going to take it off this time. We're going to, with no takeoff flaps. And she's kind of scrappy, isn't she? The way she kind of bumps around there, bumps around. All right, we're going to take off again. She just jumps right up in the air. Yeah, them ailerons are working just fine. Yeah, ailerons are working. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're going to do a no flap takeoff here. No takeoff flaps. Boy, sorry about that, camera crew. Baby, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to go. All right, we're going to land her this time. No flaps, so she's going to come in kind of fast. She hit a ramp. That was cute. All right, we're going to try to take off this time a little slower, more of a gradual buildup. And maybe take more of a, yeah, there you go. That was a scale takeoff that time. Actually letting the takeoff flaps do their job. The navigation lights are so nice right now. All right. All right. And she's down. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Hobby King Cessna TTX. Great little plane. And she's a lot of fun to fly, very stable. I'm running a 2200 Avios 3-cylinder right now. And, you know, I only flew her for about 3 minutes. Yeah, I had time for step 6. About 3 minutes. Great little plane, great little flyer. Right now she's like 119, the Hobby King. Wait until November. I guarantee you, Black Friday, they'll drop this thing back down to $60 again. Can't beat it for 60 bucks. Just understand she does need a little TLC, but it is modeling after all, right? Well, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.